Hey guys, so today I'm sitting on the floor in my bedroom. This is a piece of poster board that I was hoping you wouldn't be able to see, but you can, and I don't really give a shit. And today I just decided to video when I got home from work, because I got home from work like half an hour earlier than I usually do. And it's a nice day. Went to sit where I normally film, and the sun is beaming right on me, and the lighting looks like shit. I'm gonna do my 3 Ipsy bags for the last 3 months, obviously. It will be April, May, and June? No, it'll be March, April, and May. I haven't gotten June yet. Obviously, it's not even June. But before we get started, I'm gonna put my fucking eyebrows on because today was just one of those days. I went to do my mascara and brows in the car like I always do at red lights, and didn't have an eyebrow pencil. And then I was hoping between one of my meetings today I could stop at a Walgreens and get like a 99-cent eyebrow pencil, and that didn't happen. And then I just said, I don't give a fuck, and I gave up. So let me put eyebrows on super fast. Let's do it. And I don't remember which bag goes for which month anymore. I just don't remember. This camera is pretty fucking cool. Oh, I have them all. Okay. YouTubing on this camera because my big DSLR camera shuts off every 12 fucking minutes, and it doesn't automatically zoom, where this one, if I get really close, it will automatically zoom. And there's no noise involved, and I can get way the fuck back here. We're gonna try this camera out. Let me know what you think. Let's get into the video, Erica, and shut the fuck up. March Ipsy bag looks like this. It was really cool. It's black and white. It's like a canvas feel. It has a pink zipper enclosure, and then inside it came with 2 markers so you could like fabric paint it yourself. And having something like this, not only are you excited for your Ipsy bag, but you're excited to create, you're excited to do something with it. If you have your own fabric markers at home, you could use this, do a little like rainy day DIY project. I mean, this could keep you busy for hours. A lot of people like adult coloring books. I like children's coloring books because they have very big spaces and I can't color within the lines. So it is what it is. The first thing is Gold Baden MD Solution Facial Detox. It is for problem, oily, and acne prone skin. It comes in this little tubey. It is cruelty free by the bunny on the back, and it's recyclable. I hear a cat meowing. Oh, Thomas is outside meowing. My cat's boyfriend. My cat Jean's boyfriend, he's outside meowing. I have a piece of fuzz stuck to my face. I have no lipstick on either. This is a mess. Dear God. This is by the brand Sinister. It has really cute packaging. It's like, kind of looks like a crystal. It's plastic and has their little logo. This is a loose eyeshadow pigment. Cruelty free, and I have no idea what color it is. Maybe it's in the color Sinister. It looks like a brassy, bronzy gold. Let's see if I can do the autofocus thing. Will it work? Look at that. There's the packaging up close. It has the label name on it. A little symbol on the top and the bottom. I am not a huge fan of loose eyeshadows. They can get real messy real quick because I am a fucking mess. This is by the brand Ico London, and it is a mascara in like a tube, which I've never tried before. Cool. I'm gonna open it because I've never opened this. I want to give it a look-see, and I believe it's in the color black. Oh, kind of nice. Ooh, the wand feels really nice. Sometimes they're kind of scratchy. It is angled a little bit. I mean, I have mascara on, but it feels really nice already. This is a little mini lipstick, and this is by the brand Finding Ferdinand, and this is in the color Natural. Ooh, this is cute. My battery's blinking. I wonder how fast it'll die. Let's see. On the lipstick, I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, look at that. There's like a little print for the label on the lipstick. I really like this lip color. I think it is very au naturel for me. It's very nude, kind of thick, but it feels like it's going to stay in place. It doesn't feel like it's going to move everywhere. It's not the creamiest, but I'm okay with that. It does smell a little like plasticky or like cheap makeup-y, but I like that this is really small so you can keep it in your purse. The Winky Luxe highlighter, and this is a really cute highlighting package, and it is in the color Powder Lights, I think, and it's cruelty free. Packaging is like pink and it's holographic. It's really cute. I would swatch this, but my friend Julia swatched me hers and showed it to me, and it is very holographic. It has like a pinkish purple shift to it, and that's not really my thing. So I'm going to save this and pass it along to somebody else, or use it for like a festival giveaway, or use it when I am going to something that I'm going to be a little bit more dramatic at. Overall, I really like March's bag. My favorite is probably the lipstick. It's a really nice neutral color, and I'm all about them nudes. This is the April bag. It is very spring appropriate. I like the little rose gold, whatever this is, accent. It's like a fake leather. The purple on the back is really pretty as well. It seems really sturdy and well made. By Chiaté London is the Starstruck limited edition eyeliner with a stamp. So this is a eyeliner on one side right here, and then on this side it's supposedly a stamp. And I don't know exactly what kind of stamp, but since it's called Starstruck, I would assume it is a star stamp. I have tried Chiaté London's regular liquid eyeliners before, and I really liked the one I had. It was very black. I thought it worked well, but I also kind of felt like it dried up somewhat easily, or mine, when I pull it apart, the inside has a plastic piece, and my plastic piece kept falling on and off, and it's super annoying. They're good, but they're not like the best. I can't find a liquid eyeliner that beats my Physicians Formula one, but this is cool. If there's someone who likes a festival or something like that, this would be great to pass along to them, so I think I'm gonna put this in the pass along pile. Trizola, it is leave-in conditioner, and it has really cute purple packaging. It is 0.7 ounces. It says hydrating leave-in conditioner instantly detangles, leaving smooth and silky hair, and it says apply a small amount to damp hair, thicker hair, longer hair, use more basically. So this is nice. Again, ooh, this is made in the United States. Hey, this is really nice to have, because again, if you're traveling, and especially if you're going somewhere like, if you're coming here to Colorado where it's freaking dry, you'd be like, oh, let me bring this with me. Chuck it in your travel makeup toiletries bag, and you don't have to worry about it taking up a lot of space, or taking your normal leave-in conditioner and like squeezing it into one of those tiny little plastic jars that always break from Walmart or something like that. So this is by Shy Cosmetic. This is a cream metallic eyeshadow with jojoba oil, or whatever that stuff is called. It really reminds me of the Stila Cosmetics foil eyeshadows that were popular a few years ago, where you would like put them on, they'd be like super metallic. So this is really cool. The only downside, I do own one of those Stila ones, and it dried out so quickly, and I have to use like drops in it to get it to liquefy again. So this might do the same. Hopefully I can use this in a video soon, or just use it this summer, because it's a really nice gold copper color, which I like. So this is nice. This is BioRace Pore Tightening Pearl Clay Mask, and it says apply appropriate amount, leave on 5-10 minutes, rinse off. This is really big. This is, you get 1 whole ounce with this, which for Ipsy or a sample pack or something along those nature, this is a lot of product. I would expect, you know, a half this size. So this is really great to get a whole ounce, which I guess the tubies that I have are like a little bit less than an ounce, or like 3/4 of an ounce. So this is really cool to have. Again, great for travel. That's why I like an Ipsy bag, because I can use this stuff when I travel, going back home, or if I don't like it, it's super easy to ship to like my mom or a friend. Or if my friends come and they want to use stuff, I don't get mad when they use my expensive shit, because they can use this stuff that I don't really want to use, or I didn't think I was going to use. So this is really cool. This is by Aurora, and it is for all lip lovers. This is in soft pink, and it is a liquid lip stain kind of thing. A lip stain pen, and it's a really nice pink color. The only thing I don't like about these kind of lip stain pens is that they dry out. I used to have the CoverGirl ones when they like first came out, or the Revlon Just Bitten when they first came out like 5 years ago. But these are nice to have on a day where you want to wear lipstick, and you just try to match this color to your lipstick color. So you'll do like pink underneath, and then put a normal lipstick over it. If you're not a liquid lipstick kind of girl, this will give you some color to your lips. And then if you eat and your lipstick comes off, you're not left with like that embarrassing ring around your lips. So that's kind of nice. So these are nice to keep around. This is the May bag. It is like a yellow color with a bunch of pink passport stamps all over it. All sorts of places. I think this one is Scotland. But anyway, and then the back is like this coral orange color, which is really cute for spring, summer, whatever. We're gonna see what's inside. I haven't looked at this one yet. I didn't even open it yet because I just got it last week. Oh, it's perfume? Oh, Oh, Kenzie, Loving Life, 4 fluid ounces. This is a sample perfume, and it's really cute packaging. It's got like writing all over it, and then it says Kenzie on it. I say Loving Life is the scent. Let's smell it. Oops. Ooh, that smells really nice. I like that smell a lot. It smells like something my mom and I would wear. I've never gotten a fragrance in my Ipsy bag before, and that is really cool because this is something if you're going out with your friends, you can throw in your purse and you're not worried about it breaking because it's plastic. You can like freshen up if you've gotten a little sweaty, or if you know, live somewhere where it's really fucking hot and you can just, that is really nice. Or you go to the gym and you can chuck it in your gym bag and just freshen up before you go out with like friends for lunch or something. So this is really cool. Again, great for travel like most Ipsy things. I like that Pretty Woman nail polish. It is not tested on animals. It is made in the United States. And it is this nice purple color. I have heard nothing about this brand before. It's a interesting deep purple. I don't know if I'll keep it. I might pass this along to somebody because I already have a bunch of nail polishes. If you look to Elizabeth Mott, this is a Pop Goes the Shadow, and this is an eyeshadow in the color Mermaid Teal. This is the packaging. Really kind of cute, cartoony thing. It's a really nice color. I like how the label on the outside here matches the color here. This is something that you can obviously pop out of this plastic packaging and you can put in your to-go palettes, or you can put it in like a Z palette kind of thing. So I like that you're able to do that with this pan. It's not confined to a plastic container, or it's like a cardboard packaging. Soft matte lip cream, and this is in the color Cairo, which is one of their nude colors. I don't own this one, and from what I remember swatching it at the store, it's kind of like a peachy color, very sandy, and those are not complimentary on my pale ass skin. It's hard to get that like no lip skin color look on me because I'm so fucking ghost white. So this I will probably pass along to someone else. Oh shit, okay. This last product, wow, okay. This is a Tarte Cosmetics product. This is the Tarte Smooth Operator. This is their finishing clay powder. It's just a white loose powder, and it's used to like bake your under eye, bake your everything. This is really fucking nice to get in your Ipsy. This is 0.2 grams, which is a pretty good size for a sample pack or a like travel trial. So this is really nice to get. I'm going to be excited to try this out. I am ride or die with my RCMA powder, but if this could replace it, but it won't ever because RCMA powder is 12 bucks and this is like 38. But it is really nice to get a Tarte product and it not be like a liquid lipstick or something. So this I'm really excited about. This is fucking cool. If you like these Ipsy videos, please give it a thumbs on up. And if you would prefer to see it 3 months at a time like I've been doing lately because I'm lazy, and also I get my videos, my Ipsy bag super late in the month, why don't you comment down below the peach emoji, and if you want to see them month by month by month, comment down the ant emoji because that's my favorite emoji, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Ching! Any of you who know me in personal life, my room is never clean.